Hey everyone, welcome back to the MindMajix YouTube channel. Today we are diving into something truly magical, how to create Ghibli-style images using ChatGPT and image generation tools. If you have been scrolling through Instagram, Pinterest or any other social media platform, you have probably seen those dreamy Ghibli-style visuals, warm skies, cozy interiors and cute characters with big curious eyes. Yes, the Ghibli aesthetic is having a major moment online. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, says 1 million people signed up for ChatGPT in just 60 minutes after the company launched its viral image generation feature. For those who are new to the world of Ghibli, Studio Ghibli is the legendary Japanese animation studio behind timeless masterpieces like Spirited Away, My Neighbor Totoro, etc. It is founded in 1985 by Hayao Miyazaki. The studio has inspired generations of artists with its hand-drawn animation, attention to the nature, and deeply emotional storytelling. And here is the exciting part. AI tools like ChatGPT and image generators can now help us bring that signature vibe to the life. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create Ghibli-style images, from writing the perfect prompt to generating those cozy, magical visuals you can share online or even use in your creative projects. In this video, we will explore multiple online and free websites to create Ghibli art style pictures. Links in the description. If there are any other tools you would wish us to try and create a video about, then do let us know in the comment section below. Let's get started and bring a bit of Ghibli magic into your world. If you are interested in learning artificial intelligence course with certification, then check out our course where we cover basic to advanced modules with real-world projects, mock interviews, and many more.
Now, let's proceed and see how to create Ghibli art of your own. Now, we are on ChatGPT and we have also opened all other tools online. So you just have to create an account and proceed. So this is Grok. Earlier we were on ChatGPT. This is OpenArt, Clipfly. Next one is Photo, and next is AI Ghibli Studio, and the last one is Pixela. We will try each one of these. Firstly, go to ChatGPT, create an account and upload a photo of yours, or you can choose some open source images like I chose here a couple of pictures. And all these pictures are from open source websites and they do not have any kind of copyright. So don't have to worry about it. So back to ChatGPT. Here I've uploaded one of the sample images and the prompt will be create a Ghibli picture, and there you go. And there are some advantages and disadvantages to it, and you already know about the disadvantages. Let's focus on the advantages part. So you can create your Ghibli style or get inspired from it for free, of course, and each one of these tools have some good points and also the downsides. So a couple of them are fast, a couple of them are slow, a couple of them have a greater accuracy number, a couple of them miss out. So those are some casual things that you want to point out. So here you can see ChatGPT is kind of taking a little time, maybe due to quality issues. Maybe it's trying to give you the best quality version of your photograph in the Ghibli style. It's one thing you need to count on. So let's give it a little time and see what's the output. So there you go, we have the Ghibli art created by ChatGPT. Let's expand and look into the details. So there you have the picture side by side. Let me download it so that you'll have a copy of it. Now let's proceed with Grok. This is the second image of a butterfly and I'm copy pasting the same prompt here. So please create a Ghibli art of this particular photograph. You can directly copy paste or you can just upload. You can have a quick look on how exactly the photo looks like, and back to the prompt, run it. So you can see Grok is providing us multiple outputs, and also a couple of these tools will allow you to create Ghibli art. Repeat. So a couple of these tools can also help you create Ghibli art of multiple photos in one shot. So that was the output of Grok. Now we are on the OpenArt platform. So the best part about this here is you can write a prompt or you can also upload a photograph. So let's write a prompt first. Create a picture or a Ghibli art. Okay, let's try to write it this way. Create an AI generated Ghibli image of a plant or a flower. Flower pot will be better. Let's go with a rose flower pot and create. So this is where you just write a prompt and click on the create button, and OpenArt will create images for that. And here you can also control the number of images that you created. So here the default number was 2. You can also increase the number and select the one which you like. and just download it in the form of JPG or PNG, same like the other tools. Now let's go with the other part of it, or the other version of it, where you can just manually upload a picture. So I'll go with this one, or yeah, that's the one, the rose image. Now you can control the number. I'll give it to 1 this time, and let's create a Ghibli version of this particular photograph. We'll go with the rose, and it should take a little while. You can see turbo off. I think if you get the premium version of it, you can also go with the turbo version. So I've got the image. Now let's uncheck that one and download the fresh image that we just created. Now we are on Clipfly, and here also you have the same version. You can write down the prompt, or you can also take the option of choosing the image manually. I have already added an image there, and you can also see there are some styles, 3D cartoons, a lot of them, right? So let's go with Ghibli, since we're discussing about Ghibli, and you can choose the version and just write a prompt here, create a Ghibli version of the image that's been uploaded. And you can also choose the options which are available on the right hand side, the Simpsons version or the anime version, right? A lot of those things. Let's go with the Ghibli one and generate. Shortly we'll have a picture of a Ghibli version. So yeah, there you go. The Ghibli version of the image has been just downloaded. And so how beautiful it looks like, right? Now we've downloaded that. Let's move on to the next tool, that is Photo. And here it's completely similar to Clipfly. You can just go with the prompt or upload an image, and you can also choose the style. Which type of image do you want, the Ghibli or anime or Simpsons, right? So let's go with Ghibli here as well. I think it's creating the image. So now we have selected the Ghibli style too, and we have our image right here. The image has been successfully downloaded. Now let's go ahead with our next tool. So our next tool is Pixela, and here we will, okay, I think we already worked with the butterfly, so let's go with a different one. And you can click on add image to select the image. Let's go with the sparrow one. I think some similar looking bird. Let's go with that. Let's open and upload it. Now let's write the prompt, create a Ghibli version of this particular photograph, or a simpler prompt maybe. Can you create a Ghibli style art, or yeah, there you go. And let's click on generate now, and your image will be generated in a few seconds. So comparatively, the other online tools are quite faster. I don't know, for some reason ChatGPT was taking a little time, but the clarity was good with ChatGPT. So did a few other tools. So here you can see there are 4 different outputs from Pixela, but again the exact replication was not done properly. I'll go with the second one here. And also if you scroll down, you can see some popular art versions and recent art versions, most liked and generated versions. So that's a different thing. Let's go with the second one because it looks a little similar to the one which we created. So I had pasted all those photographs into the PowerPoint presentation. Now let's quickly have a slideshow of each and every one of these like we had in the before. So let's save it and have a quick slideshow presentation of all the images that we created, just like in the beginning of this tutorial. This was from ChatGPT. This is the one by Grok, and this is from Pixela, and this is from OpenArt. Followed by that we have Photo, and next is Clipfly. So that brings us to the end of this session. And that brings us to the end of the session on how to generate Ghibli art for free using the AI tools. And also please do let us know which was your favorite tool out of all these, or you can also let us know which was your favorite image out of all these that we created in this session. If you have any queries about any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require the resources or the links to the tools that we used, then please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to assist you at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from MindMajix.